Swastiastu. Hello everyone, let's be introduce ourselves. My name is Giridika Aditya Arya Pratama and my friend.
My name is Budu Gede Jaibawa. My number absent 30. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our hotel.
Good afternoon.
May I assist you, sir?
I have a reservation. The name of Mr. Dika.
Currently, sir, may I know your ID card?
Sure, have you are.
Currently, let me check your reservation. You booked a deluxe room, sir?
Yes, that's correct.
Could you please fill out this registration form?
Of course, here is the complete form.
Thank you, sir. Your room is ready. Your room number is 205.
Okay, what time is the breakfast?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10 p.m. at the restaurant, sir.
Alright, thank you for the information.
You're welcome, sir.
Alright friend, thank you for the watching and I'm greeting to Paramasanti. Om Santi 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 Om.